Nobody slept after he disappeared. Not really. People pretended, closed their eyes, stayed quiet. But everyone listened, waiting. Hours passed. Then the radio crackled. Static. Weak at first, then louder. Someone reached to turn it off. Alice stopped him immediately. Her face changed, because through the noise, a voice appeared. Crying, breathing hard. Then words. Please. Long pause. Help me. Silence, because everyone recognized the voice. The man who left. The same one. Then panic. They're everywhere. Static. Screaming, real screaming. Then one sentence. Soft. Broken. I thought I went home. And the radio died.